Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change spring on your spring-loaded Normcore Tamper. Take a look at the box closely. So here's the directions how to do it, but I'm going to show you how to do it today. So they give you two more springs here. So it comes with a 15 pound, 25 pound, and 30 pound. All right, 30 pound. So this one here, I have 25 pounds in there. So I prefer 25 pounds rather than 15 pounds, rather than 15 or 25. I'm sorry, 15 or 30 pounds. So I have a 25 pound there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to dismantle this. First, remove the base. Just lift the auto level, just like so. This is the auto leveling right here. Just lift it, just counterclockwise. Okay, counterclockwise. That's it. So this is the base, set to the side. This is just fall right out. Okay, set to the side as well, and then just fall out this spring. This is the handle spring. Okay, and then from here, right there is the little hole. If you check your box, you see that little Allen wrench. Okay, take it out. Put that one in here, just like so. Okay, and then I'm going to go again counterclockwise to remove the spring. Assemble, just like that. Just okay. Set to the side as well. So here's a little tricky part right here. If you close look, you're gonna see that inside has a little tiny shim. What's that called? Little spring, little metal piece right there. Okay, this metal piece right there. You have to remove it. Okay. What you want to do is that you're just gonna squeeze with a hand, just like so. Okay, squeeze it, and release the tension there. Just press that one in. Okay. Use the Allen wrench. Oh, just fall out. Okay, just fall out right there. You can push it or just use the gravity to fall out right there. Just again squeeze it and remove the pin. Okay, so remove the pin. Right. So remember, so we are using the first hole. Okay, not the second one, first hole. Once you remove it, you're gonna have the spring. So this is a 25 pound spring here. Again, so if you don't like 25 pounds, you're gonna go with, let's say 15 or 30 pounds. You can change that as well. I'm just gonna go back to my 25 pound. Put back in. Squeeze it again, guys. Make sure squeeze it. Line the pin right there, the first hole. Okay, just like so. Okay, so now we are in. Okay, then move the put back in the handle. Again, use the Allen wrench. Make sure give you the leverage. Make sure tight. Okay, there we go. Put back in the spring, handle spring. Put back in the base. That's it. Again, put back in clockwise. So this is how to change your spring on your Normcore Tamper. As you can see, this is an extremely simple process. Yeah, let me know. Okay, you guys like the 15 pounds, 25, or 30 pounds? Love to hear from you. See you guys next time.